Today, I am reviewing the Jackery Solar Generator 4000 kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what really makes this unit a powerhouse. 4,085 watt-hours of clean, portable energy. That's enough to run your RV appliances, power tools, off-grid systems, or provide full backup for your home essentials during emergencies. The 3,000-watt continuous output, paired with its ability to handle surge loads, makes it suitable for even demanding devices like air conditioners, refrigerators, or power tools. It's not just a power station. It's a quiet, efficient beast ready for anything. And speaking of quiet, here's one of the things that really stands out. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus operates at just 30 decibels. That's whisper quiet. No fumes, no loud motor humming, no maintenance headaches. Just pure, silent power. Whether you're out in the wilderness, camping in a remote area, or simply enjoying peace of mind at home, this generator won't break the silence. Charging speed is often a concern with solar setups, but not here. The Explorer 2000 Plus features ultra-fast recharging, supporting up to 1,800 watts of AC input and 1,000 watts of solar input. With the included two 200W Solar Saga solar panels, you could be up and running from 0 to 80% in just 1.3 hours using wall power or 1.6 hours with solar if expanded to 6 panels. That's impressive for a system this powerful. But what really takes this kit to another level is its expandability. This isn't just a 4 kilowatt-hour setup. You can scale it up to 24 kilowatt-hours by adding more battery packs and even double the output to 6,000 watts with a second Explorer 2000 Plus unit. It's completely modular, giving you the flexibility to build your perfect off-grid or emergency system over time without replacing the core. And yes, it's built to last. The system uses a Li-Fe-Po4 battery, which is known for its safety, temperature resistance, and long lifespan. Jackery estimates up to 10 years of use, and it even features Charge Shield fast charging technology to boost overall battery life by 50%. Combine that with a built-in cooling system, fire resistance, and shock protection, and you've got one of the most durable solar power solutions on the market. For tech-savvy users, it doesn't end there. Smart shallow charging modes, parallel connection support, and intuitive control make this not just a generator, but a whole ecosystem for modern energy independence. You're not tied to noisy gas generators or unpredictable grid power anymore. Plus, let's not forget, this purchase qualifies for a 30% residential clean energy tax credit. That's potentially hundreds of dollars back, just for switching to a clean, renewable power source. Make sure to check your local eligibility and keep your receipts. The Jackery 4000 kit also comes ready out of the box. You get the Explorer 2000 Plus power station, one 2000 Plus expandable battery, 2 Solar Saga 200-watt panels, all necessary charging cables and connectors. Everything is designed to work seamlessly, with clear manuals and Jackery's customer service ready to help if you need them. Now, who is this for? If you're a camper, RVer, off-grid enthusiast, or someone preparing for home emergencies, this kit is one of the smartest long-term investments you can make. It's powerful enough to cover critical appliances, quiet enough to use indoors, clean enough to charge anywhere the sun shines. To wrap up, the Jackery Solar Generator 4000 kit offers massive capacity, lightning-fast charging, whisper-quiet performance, and unmatched expandability. Whether you're living off-grid, need emergency backup power, or just want clean energy wherever you go, this setup is built to deliver. If you're looking to invest in true power independence, the Jackery 4000 kit should be at the very top of your list.